To insert your SIM card or SIM cards into Nothing Phone for a Pro, first of all, we're going to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. In here, we have our SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. We need to use an eject tool that you can find inside the box. And we need to put it into this SIM tray hole over here. There we go. Once you have the eject tool inside this hole, you want to apply gentle pressure and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Now you can use your fingernails or fingers and you can completely remove it from your phone. Now over here we have two SIM card slots. So here we have SIM number 1. There we go. And then on the reverse side we can find SIM number 2. There we go, as you can see here. So now we need to simply match the shape of the SIM card slot. So here, as I hold it like this, we have this cut part here in the upper left corner. So we need to make sure that the SIM card is inserted exactly the same way. Make sure that it goes all the way in and it should not stick out at all. I'm gonna also insert the second card. There we go. You might even hear a little pop as you push it all the way in. And now we're gonna insert the SIM tray back into the phone. We want to slide it all the way in. So push it with your finger and make sure that it doesn't stick out at all. All right, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.